Here's a pretty good example here. This one, what you will notice here is the subject line is relevant. It invokes curiosity. It's not directly personalized with my name or my company name, but saying that your coaching services does still invoke that curiosity, and it's addressing me, right? It's not about them. Make sense? Next thing I really like about this email is it is ridiculously short. It's basically just a question. Are you still a business coach or consultant? If so, are you accepting new clients? So the content is relevant because number one, he knows that I'm a business coach consultant. So he's looked at my profile. It does help him qualify if I'm a potential lead or not. And obviously, if I'm replying yes, he can escalate the conversation and he can talk more about what he's doing, right? So what he's doing is he sells to business coaches to help improve their sales funnel. Here's another example. Like I said before, it doesn't only have to be in email. This can also be applied in, let's say, a LinkedIn message. So if you see this email over here, it's clean, it's short, it's relevant and sincere. So she's saying, I've built a successful product agency and I'm writing a profile series on onboarding do's and don'ts. So maybe the I've built a successful product agency piece could come a bit later, but she sets the context quite early along, saying what she's doing and why she's reaching out. So she's doing that profile series. Your name and background came up on my growth radar because at the time my title was head of growth at Spring, right? Would you be open to sharing how you converted traffic? That sounds like a very big ask, but she's not asking me to share right now. She's not saying like, how do you convert traffic? She's just asking me, would you be open to? So that is a simple yes or no close-ended question. So it sounds like a big open-ended question, but it is quite easy to respond to.